Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ Today I'm going to teach you Pythagoras Theorem and Trigonometry. Please enjoy. We're going to have some equipment. You just use your paper and pen or pencil. You need your scientific calculator. I'll tell you about Pythagoras Theorem first. Okay, let's see these pictures. I'm going to draw for you now. Okay, here. Okay. It's this one, theta. And here is right angle from Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem. You will know that, okay? If you remember, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. But we need to understand about the formula. What are they? Okay. First, I would like to show you here. Very quick. Okay, write down with me step by step. Okay. First one, when you see here. Okay. Let's say this one is an angle. I give it theta. I give the name theta. Okay, the sign that opposite with the theta we call opposite. Okay, right out here we call opposite, or in the future they will use O. And the sign that are next to the theta we call adjacent. Or you could write out it look like an A. This one O, that's A. Okay. And the one that opposite side with the right angle here. It's named hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Or they use H. But when we use in the formula, we always use it one C, A, B. I'm going to write down for you again. Let you see it like easier. Okay, if you see some triangle, have to be right angle as well. C have to be hypotenuse, the one that opposite with the right angle, C. And another one could be A, B, and then the formula is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Okay, now we go to our equation. Okay, our equation said that a dog kennel, this one, has the dimension shown in the diagram on the right. Here, they show here. Give your answers to it or following correct to 2 decimal. Okay, I would like to change from 2 decimal to 4 decimal. Everything that you find for me, you have to put 4 decimals. Okay, the first question, A. What is the width in centimeter of the kennel? Okay, I encourage you every time when you read the question, try to read it twice. Read again, what is the width in centimeter of the kennel? So they want you to find here. Look at the picture. Yeah, so they want you to find here. Well, what do you think? How we solve it? How about we use the Pythagoras rule? Can we use it? Alright, how about I write out this one for you? I put this picture. I could say it could be C here, A here, and B here. But I'm going to write down it again here for you so you can see it easier. Okay, let's see. Here, I write it. Again, I use the green color. Okay, I'm going to do this piece of the picture and write down over here. Okay, can you see it? This way, and put here. So it's similar like this picture. Okay. right angle is here. They want you to find the width in this picture. Width is C. Okay, so this line is they are equal. So that means 55 centimeter here and 55 centimeter here. So you just put it in our formula. C squared equal A squared plus B squared. Okay. So C squared equal A squared is 55 squared plus B squared 55 squared. Can you see that? It looks like A, B here, and this one is C. Now you try to calculate. Well, what I do, you can do it two ways. You can do method 1 that might take more time. That one you you just do 55 square plus 55 square and write down the answer here. Yeah. Okay, if I do really slowly step by step for you, 55 square plus 55 square, I just paste the calculator here. Okay, 55 square plus 55 square. So it's equal 6050. Right down here, 6050, 6050. But if you want to find C, okay, so C equals square root 6050. Do it, put answer here, and then you square root the answer. So you get C equal 77.781. Give it 4 decimal, 7 centimeter, and this one is your answer. So the width of the candle is 77.7817 centimeter. Right, it does seem good. Yeah. Okay, we do A together. Let me save it very quick. Now we do B. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete everything that's not related. Okay, but what they want you to find, they want you, what is the total height, HM of the candle? Okay, how about we try to delete everything that's not related first? Okay, I deleted. Oh, but I know that C is equal 77.7817. Okay, we practice again very quick. How about we try to draw that picture again? But when you do exam, you don't need to do everything like a step by step. You do everything step by step, but you don't need to write it again and again like me. What I do, I try to explain, really go to detail because I want you clearly understand. Okay, let's do it step by step with me. Okay, we draw the picture. Now we know here is 55 centimeter, 55 centimeter. And okay, our the width is 77.7817. Well, I'm sorry that I tell you to keep it 4 decimal because if you do it in university, in the future, they always ask you to do 4 decimal. Okay, how about I write down this one again? I know that here the hypotenuse is 55 centimeter. Oh, I want to know just this one. I know that the width all of this is 77.7817. What I do here, I just divided this number. Okay, so I divided with 2. The answer turned to be 38.8909 centimeter. Wow, that's okay. Now you want to find the total height. Well, now you do that. Okay. Let I think something. I just realized that, okay, for A that you use 4 decimal, just A. At least you can use just 2 decimal. Okay. Now I'm going to change this one to just 2 decimal. So I'm going to change it to be 38.89. Okay. So the mean here is 38.89 and 55. So you remember? Do you remember our formula? C squared equal A squared. Okay, again, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So our A squared, not like we should put it A here. This one could be B. C squared, we don't know about A. We want to find A, but we know C and B. Okay, I could move it like I'm just move the equation. I put A squared here. What I do like this. I put B squared over there, A squared is here, and then I split it. So it turned to be A squared equals C squared minus B squared. So A squared equals C squared 55 squared minus B squared 38.89 squared. And then you just use your calculator. Well, I use it for you. What I do, I'm going to do 55 squared minus 38.89 squared. And then when I get the answer, I square root the answer straight away. Okay, so the answer should be okay, let's find the answer. Oh, but be careful, HM. You have to answer in meter. Yeah, not centimeter. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Okay, find A first. A equal, after we use calculator, A equal 38.89 centimeter. We want to change from centimeter to meter. What you're going to do, you have to divide it by 100. So that is come up, it turned to be A equal, you divided 38.89 divided by 100. So it's equal 0.3889 meter. Okay. Well, A is 0.3889 meter. So they want you to come back to the question, the total height. Alright, if they said about total height, that means here, from the top until at the end here. So you know this one equal 1 meter. And this one that we calculate, we found that is equal 0.3889, or we estimate to 0.39. So your answer could be like this. Total height equals, on the top, how much on the top here? 0.39 plus 1 meter. So it's going to be 0.39 plus 1 is equal 1.39 meter. And this one is your answers. All good, yeah? Alright, before we go next, how about we go to C? The same picture, but for C. Okay, let's read the question for C. If the slope height of the roof was to be reduced from 55, so that means it's 55, but it's reduced to 50 centimeters. What difference would it make to the total height of the canal? Assume that the width is the same as part A. Again, if you do it by yourself, you have to read twice. Read again. If the slope height of the roof was to be reduced from 55 cm to 50. So that means I'm going to draw you the picture. How about I draw it really quick? It's like this. Yep, it's like this, and then at the top could be like this one. But before it's 55, but now it's just 50. So that means it's slightly shorter. Okay. You need to understand the concept. If it changed to be 50 centimeter, and the width have to be the same. Yeah, you remember the number of the width? They said that the width have to be the same. So all of this one, the same number is 77.78, and you divide it by 2, so just this part, it is 38.89 centimeter. Do you remember that we calculate it before from A? Okay, next one. What difference would it will make to the total height of the candle? Width could be the same. So, when I use system thinking and cybernetics, I use math science to analyze this question that's come up like this. So what they mean? They mean like you calculate here. What did you have? And then you know that this one they give you is equal 1 meter. 1 meter? What are you going to do? You try to find the new height here. Well, I don't know what is it, so I might put it like x. We're going to try to find x. Okay. You know, just this point is 38.89, and the hypotenuse same 50. Okay. I write out this one again in case like you want to see it properly. Could be like this. Yeah, I just put this part here. Okay, and it has tend to be x. We want to find 50, and this one 38.89. Wow, you remember our do you remember our Pythagoras formula? C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Okay, I try to do another method. You can see many ways to solve the question. We know that C is 50. Yeah, here 50 squared equal a squared could be 38.89 squared plus b squared we don't know. So this one is b, or we could be x squared. So how come we find x squared? X squared equals 50 squared. You move this number to another side of the equation from positive have to turn to be negative. It turn to be negative 38.89 squared. Okay, I write it properly. So x squared equals 50 squared minus 38.89 squared. I just use calculator very quick. What I do, I paste a calculator 50 square here. Okay, let's do together 50 square here minus 38.89 square. Okay, this one, and then it's equal this number already. Then this one is x squared, but I would like to buy only x. I paste it like answer it. And then I square root the answer. So I'm going to get x equals 31.42559 centimeter. What difference would it make to the total height? What difference would it make to the total height? Okay, let's make it x equal, make it to be meter. So it's 0.31 meter. So the new total height equals, no, this one 1 and this one is 0.31, so it's come up to be 0.31 plus 1. So it's equal 1 plus t1 meter. Do you remember the old one? The old one that we just calculated for B. You remember? You have to come back to see B. B we get like the original height is equal 1.39 centimeter. Oh, sorry, 1.39 meters. This one as well. Sorry, this one is 1.31 meter. So if you want to find the difference, write down here very quick. So the difference height is the old one 1.39 minus 1.31, so it's equal 0.08 meter, and s equal, you multiply with 100, it's going to be 8 centimeter, and this is your answer. Ooh. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can ask me on Facebook, YouTube, or their social media as well, and leave the comment. Alright, we're not finished yet. Let's do the last one, 18D. Okay, what is the length of the slope height? Slope height means here. Okay. Of the roof of the new canal, if it is have a total height of 1.2 meter, the height of the canal without the roof is still 1 meter, and S width is unchanged. Okay. Okay, they want you to read the question again. What is the length of slope height? They want you to find S, this one, slope height, of the roof of new canal. If it is to have a total height of 1.2 meter, and the height of the canal without the roof is still 1 meter. That means this one is the same, and its width is unchanged. The width, you remember the width that we found it at the first time. Our width is approximately 77.78. Yeah. Okay. Well, let me draw you another picture here. Alright, to make you understand it clearly, I'm going to make it look like a model here. Oops. Okay, this one. Okay, whatever that I write here, I'm doing right on my pen board. Yeah, and it's going to come up. Okay? You just follow me step by step. You can do it for sure. Okay. Okay. What they tell you? They want you to find the new slope height. They want you to find this slope height, this one. And what you know from the information, the width is unchanged. So that means the width is still 77.78. All of these one 77.78. Right, if I just write out this one for you, just this picture. So it tends to be similar like this. Use another color here for you. Up here, okay, up here. Can you see that? You put here. Well, I would like to know the S. What is S? The one that we have to find out. This one from the question is still 1 meter, and they told you that the total height is 1.2. Total height at 1.2, that means this height is 0.2 meter. Yeah. So it's when it's combine them, when we pass them together, 1 plus 0.2 is 1.2 meter. So that means you know this one is 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter equal 20 centimeter. You have to be careful about the unit. It has to be the same. 20 centimeter here. And just this part, you just divide it. 77.78 divided by 2. 77.78 divided by 2 is equal 38.89. Okay, this one is 38.89 centimeters. Wow, use our formula. Do you remember our formula? Let me tell you again. C square equal A square plus B square. In this question, we want to find A square slope height. Square equal A square. 38.89 square plus 20 square. Okay, and I just use my calculator right quick. 38.89 square plus 20 square. 20 square is equal this number, and then I give it like an answer, and then square root them. Wow, finally I got the slope height equal 43.14, or approximately 43.73 centimeter. And this one is your answer. Finally, we finished for today. I hope you enjoyed the topic today. It's about Pythagoras Theorem and trigonometry. Okay, feel free to follow me on Facebook, YouTube or IG. I release the new videos like mathematics, time, finance, and English as well every week. Enjoy the rest of the day. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย